Hey there, guys. If you're going to be facilitating on a day-to-day basis, if you're a professional trainer or if you're going to be giving a lot of presentations, then you're going to be using PowerPoint. It's one of my favorite tools to use. And one of the things that you find after a while is you can get bogged down in the tedious formatting, especially if you have a lot of slides. If you've got 80 or 90 or 100 slides, it's just going to take you hours to format all of these. Well, there's a really easy shortcut, and it's called Master View. So I'm in just a basic PowerPoint right now. Just open up a brand new PowerPoint, and I can see that my title, if I click on where it's the font is located, it says Calibri Light, and it says 60. That's my font size. So whatever I type in here, I'll say my big presentation. That's going to be 60 Calibri Light. And let's say I don't like that. I go, I'd rather have it be red, and I like it a different color, that sort of thing. Then what I can do, instead of just changing this slide and then changing every other slide after it, I'm going to go up to the top, and I've got a bunch of different ribbons at the top of PowerPoint, and I'm going to click the View ribbon in PowerPoint. And what I'm going to do is go over to where it says Slide Master. Okay, the Slide Master. So I'm going to View, Slide Master. And when I click on Slide Master, that brings me to a whole menu of different views. These are different layouts that I can have in PowerPoint. So I'm just going to go to the second one down, which is a common slide that we use, and it's a title and then some content. And I'm going to change this text in here. So I'm going to go to the Home tab at the top. I'll make it red. Maybe I'll make it a bit smaller, and I'll change the font to Arial Black, for example. So that's how I'd like it to look, and I'm happy with that. So then I'll go up to the top where it says Slide Master. So I've got all these different tabs. I've got a Slide Master tab open, and I'm going to close the Master View. Okay, so all I did is I went up to View, I went into Slide Master, and then I went back out again. And I can see now my big presentation is changed. And when I go into, if I want to add, say, a new slide, so I'll go up here to the top and I'll add a new slide and title and content. Okay, that one hasn't changed. But if I go to the title slide, that one has changed. So I can go title. Okay, we'll try that one more time. So I'm going to go into View, Slide Master, and this time I'll select the next one down. So I'm not selecting the main one, I'm not selecting the one which was our title slide, I'll select the content slide. And maybe I'd like the top of every content slide to look a certain way. I'd like it to be dark blue, for example, and I'd like it to be bolded, and I'd like it to be really crazy font. All right, so I'm going to select that instead. Now I'm going to go up to the top again, Slide Master, I'll close the Master View, and we can see now when I add, oh, there it is, there's my slide number 2. It's already changed. I'll add another new slide, title and content. That's the slide that I've changed. And we can see now it says click to add a title. And whatever my title is, it's now defaulted to that font. It's a really cool tool. So again, View, Slide Master. You can get into the behind the scenes on how the slide defaults look. Really great tool. I highly recommend it.